Hello guys, so today let's start with a new chapter of our artificial intelligence code 417. So our chapter is foundational concepts of AI. So what is AI? AI is artificial intelligence. So we know the meaning of artificial, which is not real, which is something which is man-made. But what is intelligence? Intelligence refers to the ability to understand, distinguish, question things, objects, feelings, situation, people, along with applying knowledge and skills in various situations. So, role of intelligence in our daily lives. First of all, we will see certain examples. First example, a school fest. Okay, in a school fest, a stall rewarded the ones who would catch the flower ball coming out of a launch pad. The launch pad was rotating and could shoot the flower ball in any direction. Peter noticed that the launch pad shot the flower ball after every 8 seconds and in anti-clockwise at a distance of 240 degrees. Using this information, Peter positioned himself at the correct position from the last launch of the flower ball and caught it to win the prize. So great use of mathematical and logical intelligence to solve the problem. So next example of intelligence in our daily life is you must have read the story of the rabbit where the rabbit saves its life by taking the lion to a pond or a well. Okay, his intelligence won over might and saved his life. This story is so interesting and it says about the intelligence of the rabbit. It shows the lion's reflection in water and he says that that's another lion and the lion jumps into the water and it dies. And by this the rabbit saves his own life and his friend's life. Next, another story of an animal's intelligence is cleverness of a crow, where a crow used pebbles to increase the level of water to quench its thirst. Thirst. The next types of intelligence. Intelligence can be of various forms such as intelligence with numbers or music or understanding own and others' feelings and so on. In 1983, an American developmental psychologist Howard Gardner described 9 types of intelligence. He said that every person have 9 types of intelligence in different levels. So first type of intelligence is naturalistic intelligence. It refers to the human ability to identify and categorize among living things, plants, animals, etc., as well as understanding other features of the natural world. Second type of intelligence, musical intelligence. It refers to the ability to differentiate between rhythm, tune and pitch. It enables to create and compose music. Singers and composers have great musical intelligence. Third type of intelligence, logical and mathematical intelligence. It refers to the ability to calculate, quantify, use proportions and hypotheses and carry out complete mathematical operations. It also includes reasoning skills, inductive and deductive thinking patterns, logical intelligence, etc. Fourth type of intelligence, existential intelligence. It refers to that form of intelligence which people use to ponder over deep questions such as reason of human existence, meaning of life, why do we die and how we die, etc. Fifth type of intelligence, interpersonal intelligence. It refers to the ability to understand and interact effectively with others. It refers to the ability to understand and interact effectively with others' feelings and understand others and make friends quickly. Next, sixth type of intelligence, bodily kinesthetic intelligence. It refers to the intelligence which helps manipulate objects and use a variety of physical skills, such as skill involving for dancing and for doing other sport events, etc. Now, seven type of intelligence, linguistic intelligence. This is the ability to think, use language to express and appreciate complex meanings. Poets, novelists, words, and to do effective public speakers are said to have this form of intelligence. So writers, poets, and public speakers have naturalist linguistic intelligence. Eighth type of intelligence, intrapersonal intelligence. It refers to the ability to understand oneself, means ourself, our thoughts and feelings, and to use such knowledge in planning and direction one's life. This form of intelligence is evident in psychologists, spiritual leaders, and philosophers. Now, ninth type of intelligence, spatial intelligence. This form of intelligence makes good use of three dimensions, mental imaginary, 3D reasoning, image manipulation, graphic and artistic skills, and an active imagination. Sailors, pilots, sculptors, painters, architects all exhibits spatial intelligence. So this was all about our 9 types of intelligence. So what are they? First, linguistic intelligence, intrapersonal intelligence, natural intelligence, spatial intelligence, musical intelligence, mathematical and logical intelligence, existential intelligence, interpersonal intelligence, and bodily kinesthetic intelligence. Now we will move on to decision making. So what is decision making? Decision making is the process of identifying and picking a final choice, action, item or belief for a need from an available set of choices after carefully assessing the available option. So it's the process of making a final choice from the available set of choices. Now, role of intelligence in decision making. So here you can see how do we make a decision. First of all, we identify the problem. There we think what is to be decided. Then after identifying the problem, we identify the alternative solutions or choices. So role of intelligence, we gather relevant information. Then third step, choose among alternatives as your solution. So intelligence, evaluate each choice and weigh if it satisfies the needs. Now implement the chosen solution. So intelligence, take require action to put the chosen solution in practice. Then the last step is evaluate your decision, and the role of intelligence here is review your decision and check its consequences. Next we will see some questions about intelligence, simple questions. First of all, which of the three shown in the picture is not a real person? So you can see here there are three persons standing there. So who is not a real person here? Yes, the person standing in the middle is not a real person. As you can see, other two persons standing in the sides are having shadows, whereas the person in the middle do not have a shadow. Okay, so another question. Here the man with the watch got a watch lying down in the ground, and he asked three people whether this watch belongs to them. So all of them said that the watch is theirs. And now you should see all this image and decide whose watch is this. Yes, the watch belongs to Justin, the middle person, because he is having a tan mark in his hand. And Kevin do not need a watch because he's a blind, and you can see a tag mark in Justin's hand, so the watch belongs to him. So third question is, you are locked up in a house of a mad entomologist, means a insect specialist. There are three doors to access from that house. So in the door one, you have invisible venomous spiders behind it. In the second door, have a dozen disease causing insected beetles. And in door three, there are hundreds of furious hornets. Which door will you choose to escape? So you can escape from the second door, as beetles can be crushed beneath your boots. So these were some questions which you need, in which you need to use intelligence and decide which is the answer. Now we will move on to our next topic, what AI is. Artificial intelligence refers to a human-made intelligence which has the ability to mimic humans and make their own decisions using intelligence and data fed to them. Next, what AI can do? Like humans, AI-based systems can discover patterns from the available information and attempt to make estimate for the future. Like they will see the sky and say whether it will rain or whether it will not rain next. Like humans, AI can make decisions by picking up from available set of choices. Like humans, AI-based self-driving cars can make decisions like if there is a human or animal or an object in front of it, to stop at red signals, to activate windshield wiper in case of the rain. Like humans, AI-based technologies can recognize and read from images. Like humans, AI-based systems can converse in natural language like Siri, Alexa, Google Assistant, Cortana, etc. are all examples, and many more. There are three domains of AI. They are natural language processing, data science, and computer vision. In the last example, you can see natural language processing. We will discuss about it further. Then, and here self-driving car, you can see computer vision. Uh, what AI is not. We learn what AI is. Now we will learn what AI is not. AI is not just automation. Means AI means the use of intelligence and not just the automation. For example, modern day automated factories do not mean that AI is being used there. AI is only when intelligence plays some role. Repeated fast automated work does not mean AI. So AI is not just automation, means doing same work again and again. It does not mean that the system is AI. For example, a smart, then the machine is called smart. A smart washing machine can perform its repetitive work smartly and automatically, but it is not artificial intelligence, as it cannot make decisions or learn from past mistakes. Also, it needs human intervention. It cannot work on its own. I hope you are understanding the differences between a smart machine and an intelligent machine. Now second, AI is not a single entity. AI is not one entity like a human or animal. It is a synchronous use of multiple programs, data, and continuous feedback and improvisation. It's not a single entity. It needs huge amount of data, multiple programming, etc. Third, AI is not just emotions. Humans have emotional intelligence, but AI so far does not have any emotions. Advanced robots, although mimic human behavior, yet they can't emphasize like humans. You can example of modern day robots are like Sophia. All they try to mimic human behavior, but they do not have emotions. Fourth, AI is not magic. It is maths and algorithm. AI is not just some digital magic happening. It is the role of maths, algorithms, lots of data and continuous use of feedback mechanism. Without data and feedback, AI won't survive. Now, how machines become intelligent? First of all, by machine learning. What is machine learning? The branch of AI that teaches machines how to make inferences and decisions based on past experience. The learning of a machine can take place in supervised or unsupervised or semi-supervised or reinforcement manner. So machine learning is nothing but a machine is learned using data and past experience. Now, deep learning. It's deep learning. Second one, deep learning. The branch of AI that teach a machine to process input through layers in order to classify, infer, and predict the outcome. So here we learned about machine learning. The second one is deep learning. So in deep learning, machine learns through filtering of data using multiple layers. Third one is neural networks. It is designed after biological neural network of a human brain. Its function is similar to our human brain. All these things we will discuss in detail in upcoming chapters. Fourth one is natural language processing. So natural language processing is used to convert high level human language into low level computer understandable language. Now computer vision enables the computers to see like humans. Now the chapter is completed and we are going to checkpoint. First question, multiple choice questions. First question, which of the following clearly defines intelligence? So it is the ability to acquire and apply knowledge and skills in various domains. And D, it is the ability to understand objects, feelings, situations along with acquiring and applying knowledge and skills in various domains. Second, how many types of intelligence are there? Answer 9. Third, who introduced the theory of multiple intelligence to larger audience? Howard Gardner. Fourth, which of the following is not a valid type of intelligence as per the multiple intelligence theory of Howard Gardner? Jovial intelligence. Fifth, a person can possess dash type of intelligence simultaneously. Multiple. Sixth, the accountant of your school who does all the calculations regarding fee and salary has which intelligence? Mathematical intelligence. Seventh, the belly dancers are said to have dash intelligence, bodily kinesthetic intelligence. Eighth, the athletes are said to have dash intelligence, bodily kinesthetic intelligence. Ninth, the vocalists of different songs have dash intelligence, have musical intelligence. Your school principal, a great orator, has dash intelligence, linguistic intelligence. Piano players displays amazing dash intelligence, musical intelligence. 12th, karate masters displays great dash intelligence, great bodily kinesthetic intelligence. 13. Miss A has naturalistic intelligence. She enjoys working with plants. 14th, Tanya is existentially intelligent. She keeps asking questions about the purpose of life. 15th, Mr. Y has high interpersonal intelligence. He makes friends quickly. 16th, I am intrapersonally intelligent. It means I am able to understand myself well. 17th, the chief guest of our annual day function spoke expressively. He displays great linguistic intelligence. 18th, Process of deciding about an option or choice from an available set of choices called decision making. 19th, which of the following contributes to intelligence? All of this, that is past experience, data and information and intuition. 20th, dash is an outcome of past experience, knowledge, data, information available as extra. Decision making. 21st, which of the following is not an AI domain? Computer aided design. I said you that there are three domains of AI. There are many domains of AI. We learned about it: deep learning, machine learning, computer vision. And main three domains of AI are computer vision, natural language processing, and data science. They are the main three domains of AI. Now 22nd, which of the following is an example of AI? Replying in human-like language. 23rd, which of the following will play important role in making a machine intelligent? All of this, that is data, algorithm or program, feedback about the output generated. Now competency based questions. First, 24th, Radhika Iyer has great rhythm, a knack for creating, singing or playing melodies. At a young age, she has created many compositions and won many awards. She possesses which type of intelligence? Musical intelligence. 25th, Raunak can notice small distinctions in plant life, enjoys being outdoors, can tell you which clouds are cirrus and which are stratus. He possesses naturalistic intelligence. 26th, James Bond can talk to anyone, anywhere, at any time. He is so good with understanding others' tone, feelings, mood, etc. He possesses interpersonal intelligence. 27th, whenever Ned faces a problem about anything and starts feeling anxious, he likes to play time with himself. Ned clearly understands his own views and opinions, feelings and anxieties, and even goals and dreams. He possesses intrapersonal intelligence. Interpersonal intelligence and intrapersonal intelligence are different. Interpersonal intelligence means understanding others' feelings and emotions, but intrapersonal intelligence means understanding our emotions and feelings. 28. Kripa's younger sister always remembers where the car is parked in the mall's parking, even when the parking is so big and spread across multiple floors. The mall entrance they came in, and which shop they visited, and in which side or floor of the mall she possessed. She possessed spatial intelligence. 29th, Indian great Srinivasa Ramanujan had exceptional understanding of theory of numbers, continuous fractions and other mathematical equations. He possessed mathematical and logical intelligence. 30th, Rabindranath Tagore was so good with the rhythm, sound and meaning of words. He portrayed complex issues and emotions beautifully through his writings. He possessed linguistic intelligence. 31st, Shania loves to solve puzzles and unsolved problems. She keeps scrolling through library for such things. She can come up with a hypothesis on the spot and even goes on to prove them. This is what type of intelligence? Yes, mathematical and logical intelligence. Now, 32. This is a quite interesting question. Who robbed the man? A luxurious cruise liner was going to Hawaii. One day, the ship got into a terrible storm. When the storm was already over, a maid found a man lying unconscious in his cabin. The maid woke him up and the man told her what had happened. The man told that I was here when the storm started. Suddenly, a man broke open the door. He hit it in the head and he passed out. And think he was a robber. I think he was a robber. That's right. My wallet and iPhone are missing. So, hearing the story, the maid called a security guard. The guard identified three suspects and questioned them. Security guard, he questioned, what were you doing during the storms? And the three people are suspects are Dara, Lalit and Rustam. So their answers were different. First of all, Dara, he said that I was sick and spent all the time in the bathroom. Then Lalit said I was listening to music in my cabin. And Rustam said I was doing barbell squats in the gym. So see, all of them are here: Lalit, Dara, and Rustam. So who robbed the man? Who do you think had robbed the man? Lalit, Dara, Rustam, or maid? Think. Yes, Rustam robbed the man. How can you say that Rustam robbed the man? Why not others? Because Rustam is the robber, because he said that he was doing barbell squats during a storm. So how can you do barbell squats during a storm? Now, 33rd question. Vicky is visiting a metro city for the first time. His uncle has taken him to various places in the city. He is amused by the application of science and technology. Help him to identify the applications that use AI. So, first, his uncle asked Siri to search of the National Museum in open today. Is open today. The Siri responded, yes, it is open until 6 p.m. today. And here other options are also there. And the answer is D. Uncle's factory used a robot that picks the packing with faulty designs from a packet with the help of camera installed in it. So it is in this machine is using intelligence. And in other places they are not using intelligence. They're just smart machines. Here it is intelligent machine. Now solution time. First question, list 9 different types of intelligence. The 9 types of intelligence are naturalistic intelligence, musical intelligence, logical and mathematical intelligence, existential intelligence, interpersonal intelligence, linguistic intelligence, bodily kinesthetic intelligence, intrapersonal intelligence, and spatial intelligence. Second question, what is the difference between interpersonal intelligence and intrapersonal intelligence? So, the interpersonal intelligence is about knowing and understanding the moods, feelings and gestures of other people and acting accordingly. Where interpersonal intelligence is about knowing and understanding the moods, feelings and reasoning of self, about ourself. Third question, list some of the domains of AI. So some domains of AI are deep learning, machine learning, computer vision, neural networks, natural language processing. Fourth, how do machines become intelligent? So machines are taught with the help of data and algorithms and about the expected output. Machines keep updating and learning from more data and past experience through training, validation and testing and thereby become intelligent. I hope the video was helpful. Stay connected for more videos. Thank you.